Sustainability, of course, is number one, the environment, number two, economic, and number three, social. But we're mainly concerned with the environmental side of things at the moment in our business. I'm Ronnie Counihan, retired hotelier, now honorary ambassador for Delphi Lodge. It's a wonderful old lodge, built in 1830 by the Marquis of Sligo as a sporting lodge, and it's been in operation continually since. This is the dining room. The chef Kevin, so he does a 5-6 course evening dinner menu using local produce. All our vegetables, our lamb is sourced locally, our beef is sourced from a farm not too far away, and of course the fish is local. All wild salmon have to be released, that's the rule here, so that they can spawn and help increase the population of wild salmon for future generations. Salmon can sense water that's not clean, sense any kind of a chemical in the water, they turn about and go.
My name is David McEvoy. I'm the fishery manager here since 1992. Let's just say I have a few stories to tell. The reason we use quite a lot of energy is most of our water has to be pumped. Like fish, they need oxygen. The main way you get oxygen is through flowing water. That's why electricity is vital.
We went out for tender for our electricity, and Pinergy was the one we picked. Pinergy was the only company that had 100% renewable energy. And they're very price competitive as well. Electricity that the solar produces would be enough to run the hatchery alone. And that would be a massive saving for us. Sustainability is the buzzword in tourism and hospitality at the moment. I think in terms of where we stand with our carbon, we're pretty much carbon neutral because of the amount of trees we have. So we can always improve on that. There are grants, there's advice, everything is there to help us go forward. Because Ireland have promised 50% reduction in carbon emissions by 2030 and to eliminate entirely by 2050. And this won't be achieved unless every household, every business throughout Ireland makes an effort.